Market closing, Sensex closed 134 points or 0.34% lower at 38,845.82, while Nifty closed 11 points or 0.10% down at 11,504.95. BSE Mid Cap closed 0.26% higher, while BSE Mid Small Cap Index closed 0.32% lower. Today, Sensex went down by 38,845.82. Nifty 50 went down by 11,504.95. Bank Nifty went down by 22,031.05. Nifty Mid-Cap 100 indices went down by 17,394.45. Nifty Small Cap 100 indices went down by 5,991.50. Now let's move on to currencies and commodities. British pound trading at rupees 95.36. US dollar trading at rupees 73.44. Brent crude trading at $43.51. Gold MCX trading at rupees 51,590. Silver 1 lot trading at rupees 68,370. An FTSE raising of the index coupled with the India-China tensions led to a pretty volatile trading session. After trading in the green for most of the day, equity benchmark succumbed to a fresh spell of selling in the last hour, closing with a negative bias. The Sensex closed 134 points or 0.34% lower at 38,845.82, while Nifty closed 11 points or 0.10% down at 11,504.95. BSE Mid Cap closed 0.26% higher, while the BSE Small Cap Index closed 0.32% lower. Global cues were mostly mixed after the US Fed Reserve failed to come out with an immediate stimulus measures, and also due to a resurgence in coronavirus infections in some countries. Experts said. Vinod Nair, head of research at Geojit Financial Services, said the market has been trading with uncertainty and lack of direction to either side was visible in the week's trades. The worry was visible as investors would have cleared their positions heading into the weekend. He believes in the absence of fresh triggers of the market. The current uncertainty is expected to continue. Any news with regards to the broader tension with China or global events can impact the market on the downside. As such, investors need to be cautious and watch for new specific movements. Nair said on a weekly basis, the Sensex and the Nifty closed almost flat. Top Nifty gainers included Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Cipla and Adani Ports. Top Nifty losses included HDFC Bank, Shree Cements and Bajaj Finserv. Stock and sectors. Among the sectors, pharma stole the show. The BSE Healthcare Index closed 3.50% higher, followed by Telecom Index logged a gain of 1.96%. On the flip side, BSE Finance and Bankex fell 1.16% and 1.13% respectively. A volume spike of more than 300% was seen in Escorts, Cipla, Glenmark, Pharma and Davies Labs. Long build-up was seen in stocks like Dr. Reddy's Lab. Cipla and Lupin short build-up was seen in stocks like Petronet, IDFC First Bank and Bandhan Bank. As many as 164 stocks including HCL Technologies, Advanced Enzyme Technologies, Apollo Hospital Technologies, Apollo Hospitals, Bicon, Candila, Davies Lab, Dr. Reddy's Lab, Escorts and Wipro hit their 52-week high on BSE technical view. The Nifty formed a bearish candle that resembles a bearish bell pull kind of a pattern on the daily charts, while for the week it gained 0.4% and formed a doji pattern on the weekly scale. The market continues to respect the 11,500 level, which is heartening for the bulls. The key level to be respected is 11,300 to 11,350, and if we can manage that, we should be able to achieve the 11,800 by the expiry next week. said Manish Hadiramani, Technical Analyst at Deen Dayal Investments. So that's all for today. Do watch and subscribe our channel. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.